Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kenzie here, and this is Kenzie's Corner. Okay, you guys, pardon the background noise, and that is why we are here. Okay, in this video I'm going to be unboxing my K9 wireless microphone with you guys. We're going to be connecting it together and of course reviewing it together. Okay, longest time I have been wanting to get this microphone for myself. Okay, share with me guys, if you are living in Nigeria and in other stores online, how do you guys pay? What cards do you pay with? Because I've been having issues paying with my card. I ended up not ordering online. It is actually cheaper online than getting it in a physical store. Okay, but because my card wasn't paying online, I had to get it in a physical store. Okay, so I ended up walking to a store in Ibadan named Ejimako around the Queen Cinema. If you are conversant with Ibadan, Ejimako deals with all filming gadgets and every photography equipment. So yeah, let's open straight out from the box. This is what it looks like, and I have two microphones in here. This is a connector, as you are seeing, and of course this is another connector. So far, if you are ordering for this K9 wireless microphone, please specify for which phone you would like to order it for, so as not to get mixed up. Because we have the microphone for type C, and we also have for the one for Android, and of course we have the one for iPhone. But I ended up getting both for iPhone and for type C, which is my phone, because sometimes anytime and I just decide to film with an iPhone. Okay, so I won't be beating myself up for not getting for both type C and iPhone. Okay, and another thing that you see on the pack is that of course the microphone is wireless. That is one fact that I love about the microphone. You can actually be standing right in front of your camera and you move backward. Of course you will be audible enough, so you guys, as you can hear background noises and all of that, everything is going right in this background. Okay, and another thing you can make use of the microphone for is a live show, be it Instagram, YouTube, all of that, TikTok live show, anyone that you would like to use it for. And another thing that you can use it for interview. That's another fact that made me get two microphones, because you can actually get single microphone for yourself. It's actually way cheaper than getting two microphones. Okay, and another thing you can make use of it for is for vlog, short videos. Okay, the fun fact I love about this microphone is the fact that you can actually clip it. Let's unbox it together. This is what the microphone looks like. Let me show you guys. This is the microphone straight out of the box. This is what it looks like. You can actually see the clip here. You can clip it on your clothes, and you can actually hold it either way that is okay for you. Okay, and another thing you are seeing here is the charging port and the power button here. Can you guys see the power button over there? So you can just hold on to the power button and allow it to turn on. As you can see, it's already blinking. Okay, and once it's connected, it will stop blinking. It will have just green color. Okay, I'll show you guys when it's connected. So yeah, this is the connector. You can see that it's for type C and not for Android, so you guys specify anytime you want to get yours. Okay, don't go and get Android when you have a type C phone, and don't go and get type C when you have an iPhone. Okay, so yeah, another thing that is here is the second microphone. Okay, and lastly the connector for iPhone. Okay, let me show you guys how it's connected to an iPhone. So yeah, let's say this is the connector and this is that of the iPhone. Okay, and this is that of the iPhone. So you fix it like this. You have one connector, right, and you just ended up putting this one in your iPhone. Okay, if you are connecting, but since I'm not connecting with an iPhone, I'll just unplug the iPhone part and make use of this type C cable. Okay, and another thing I'm seeing here is this space. I actually don't know what is connected to this connector. Maybe this is for that of Android phone. I actually don't know. So yeah, share with me in the comment section if you own this type of mic, and let me know what is connected here. Okay, so So yeah, let's go right into the testing process. So let me just drop the one for iPhone here, and just connect to my phone and let's see how it goes. Oh, lest I forget, there's another thing in the carton, which is the charger. Okay, so let me just show you guys, and you guys can see what is in here. So once you open straight out of the box, this is what it looks like. This is the charger. Okay, I already using it to charge my microphone with. Okay, and the fun fact is when you plug it to charge, okay, it will keep blinking, and when it's done charging, it will stop blinking. Okay, that is when you know that it's already fully charged. Okay, and another thing that I'll be showing you guys, this is the carton, and this is what is inside. Lastly, the manual that we don't read in the part of the country that I am in. Okay, we do not read manual. Okay, we are too good for that. So yeah, let me just drop it, connect with my phone, and let's see how it goes. So this is the connector. I'm going to connect it to my phone, and I'll show you guys how to come. Okay, as you guys can hear, background noises are here everywhere. So let's see how it goes. So you guys, I already fixed the connector to my phone. I hope you guys can hear me. Is there any change in my background noise? Is there what's it called, any reduction in background noise? Because this mic actually cancel background noise. Okay, and that's the benefit of it. It cancels all background noise and focuses on your voice. I actually love the fact that I hold it. Everything is happening in my background. Okay, my baby is crying already. Every other person here is speaking. Generator is on over here, and yeah, let me show you guys the light. You can see that it's connected. That's why I'm showing you the screen. So share with me in the comment section what you think about the noise cancellation of this microphone. And the fun fact about this microphone is that the reason why I got two is that I won't be sharing microphone should in case I'm interviewing someone, or having a sit down video with someone else. Are you coming in my video? My baby. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to show you guys this microphone. Share with me in the comment section what you think about my voice. Okay, yeah, so thank you guys for watching to this state, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and of course comment down below what you think about this microphone. Okay, so I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Bye. My baby. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. So you guys take care. I'll see you guys in another video. This guy is looking at me. What is already?